Alright, so today I got a new toy. We're gonna open up and unbox the new GoPro Hero 11. It just came out the other day. Best Buy had it in stock, so I figured I would treat myself. Ended up getting the Creator Edition. I got the Creator Edition just because it's the one that they had in stock. Got it shipped to my house, so let's open it up and see what the whole big deal is about. The Creator mod comes with the light mod, the camera itself, it's a little tripod looking thing, and the media mod. And it's pretty cool that they're including the Enduro battery on all the GoPro 11s that come out. I had the GoPro 10, but I got rid of it to get this thing. Let's see how much better this one is. It's a nice GoPro case as usual. Open it up. Creator Edition must be updated before you can use, so obviously you gotta update it with the GoPro Quick app. Let's see what we got here. Seen all the cool kids on Instagram and they didn't get the Creator Edition, they just got the nice GoPro, and I think theirs came with a better box. But here's the little, I forgot what this is called. Where is it? Here it is. So this thing is the Volta. I don't know what the Volta does. I'm assuming you can control the camera and might have some battery power in there too. So this is the Volta. A tripod. Bipod looking thing. Tripod. Use this thing, so I guess that's it. The media mod, I don't know what this does. I guess it's a microphone, better audio. I guess you can tell by this video I'm always struggling with the audio. See the camera itself. Supposedly the camera is the same exterior dimensions as the GoPro 10, so anything that you have for the 10 will fit this one. Thing goes in there. What else do we down here? Goes in there like that. Open that thing up. Sticker in there. Oh, we gotta take out this cover for that. Instructions. Yeah, you just pull it out. Not as scary as I thought it would be. Gotta take out the light. So this thing will fit in there. Oops. There you go. Let's find the battery and put that thing in. Where was that? Oh, there we go. I dropped this thing in, and lo and behold, the battery was in there. Let's just stick this thing in. And let's put it in this thing. There we go. Putting this thing back up and pull these things out, and she's ready to almost go. What you plug this thing into when you have this thing on? Cool, you can put the light on the side also. What do you do with this thing? Oh, the door's back here. Plug that thing back in there. These little doohickeys. Stick it on here. And this thing would go plugged in. Oh, let's put that back on. For now. And this little thing would go plugged in here. Yep. So yeah, you can control the camera. It's got Bluetooth and all that stuff from this thing. So pretty cool. So I'm gonna charge it up and make another video and see how I like it. See how it goes.